my door. Get away from my door. Now. What are you doing?
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
That shit right there. Hey. I see you. Hey, leave it right there. Ah, you fucker. You son of a bitch. God damn it.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, can I
Hello?
help you?
We came here
Yeah?
because a phone had got locked. We had left the phone in the store and the address popping up here saying it's in this house.
I
The
don't have a
location.
phone. There's no
Huh?
phone here.
Well, the location say
There's
it's
no
here.
phone here.
The location is saying is this is the exact location. It gave y'all address 4701 12th Avenue. Is what it
There's
is.
nothing here. I haven't left this house today. There's nothing
What
here.
somebody you stay with? Anything?
N- no, he hasn't left the house either.
Well,
What
I'm
is he
sorry
a
to say,
black?
but
No,
the phone is here, man.
is he a black male?
What the fuck? Dude, you gotta go before I call the cops.
No,
You're
you
on my
can.
property.
No,
You gotta go.
no, I understand what you're saying, but I'm
I,
saying the phone tracked it to this address, so we came to see what's a phone
that's
here.
not my
That's
problem.
it.
There's no phone here. I keep telling you that. No, there's no phone here. I'm telling you that.
All right, no problem. I'm sorry.
Okay.